everyone, welcome back to my channel, Rebecca's ASMR. This is the third time I'm now filming this video. I was filming it kind of in this angle, but then someone came home and it just got a little bit loud. Then I filmed over there for about just less than half the video, and then I wasn't happy with the brightness, it was too dark. And now it's the third time looking, so we'll see how far we get with this video. But today's video, I'm going to be doing black and white triggers. Black, and white. I love how I use different hands to do that, like black triggers, white triggers. Do you know what I mean? Like I did that wrong. Anyways, yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and let's see how far we can go with this one now. So I'll start with a different trigger this time. I have my Pandora box. I haven't worn these earrings yet. I forgot I had this. But I have my Pandora earrings that I got for Christmas. I'll just put this back in there. There we go. Made in China. Where else? Made in China. Lovely. Okay. Let's move on to a black trigger. Okay, so I have this cap. I'm getting deja vu. I've tapped on this about 2 or 3 times now. It's fine though, it's fine. I think you all probably know that when I bought this cap, I got a scrunchie with it. Technically, it wasn't meant to come with the scrunchie. It was like attached to the back of it here, and I thought that they came together, but they didn't. I just wasn't looking properly. But there was a scrunchie that was like attached to the Velcro, and for some reason, even at checkout, they didn't really notice. They just put it in the bag, and I still have it. It's like in my dressing table, so free scrunchie. is reflecting in my glasses a little bit, as it does. see it through though.